We have a wonderful custom here following daily Mass every day of having our coffee clutch here in the kitchen of our social hall. And certainly we know kitchens are important because it's in kitchens that we prepare meals many times. When you're in a kitchen and you're preparing anything, whether it's preparing for a breakfast or a special ethnic dinner, that recipes are very important. And so we know that as we make our relationship with Christ even more deep, that God gives us a recipe for life. We find that recipe in the century-old teachings of the Church. Christ gives us the recipe not only for a successful life on earth, but He gives us the recipe for eternal life. People will say, well, I'd like to tweak the recipe. But then sometimes if we don't follow the recipe, I like to use the analogy, it's like baking the cake. We're going to follow our own recipe, so we do. We pull the cake out and we look, and the cake is flat or it's burnt. And what do? We throw our hands up and we say, God, why did you do this to me? And maybe God quietly says, I didn't do it to you. I gave you the recipe. Just follow the recipe and you'll get a good cake.